Good evening, Professor. So, this is my personal timetable. So, for the AD project with IDC chip, I'm continuing with paper writing as Professor gave me the normal person sample. I prepared the P6 chip for the normal person sample testing. So, for PSA project with RPD, I've been participating with Jacob for the PSA testing with the another resonator. For the PSA in urine project, I participated with Dr. Sachin for the experimental process and testing capacitance of the chip. For the SARS-CoV 2019 experiment, I have been prepared the D5 chip for the selectivity testing as professor guided me to check the selectivity test. So this week I was going to test normal people sample testing, and for the PSA I will be participating with Jacob to repeat the experiment. So for the PSA in urine project, I discussed with Dr. Sachin and prepared some schematic plans for the paper. For the SARS-CoV-2 testing, analyzing the data analysis and paper writing and experiment with T3 chip for the selectivity testing and preparing the schematic figure preparation. So this is my paper writing plans for the corona detection graphene EDC NHS. I'm thinking to submit this paper in AFM. Next is AD detection by graphene EDC NHS using the AD patient sample. For this paper also I am preparing this paper for the AFM journal, sir. This is Q1 journal. This is my another co-author paper with Dr. Sachin for the PSA sensing application by the urine. This is our future planning for the biosensor for detection of tau protein. Tau protein is a biomarker by which we can detect the Alzheimer's disease. This is our SARS-CoV graphene IDC research work. I'm doing this research work by using the fire chip. This is our paper plan for the corona detection biosensing technology. I will prepare the content of this paper. I was asked to my juniors for the characterization techniques which is not have been done yet, and this is a detailed schematic for the coronavirus paper. I already presented this information to our professor. Kit for COVID detections, and this is what we are using with our chip. This is our IDC based detection technology which we are going to use here. This is our biosensing research recipe. All the methodology and experimental process chart how we have done this process to mobilize the antibody and to test the antigens. So this is our results of the coronavirus detection technique what we are using in our experimental process. Results, capacitance and optical microscopic results here. So this is our P3 chip results with the 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to the power minus 12. Here this is a bare chip, the chip with graphene oxide, ECNHS and antibody. And here the chip with antigen is in green marking. This is our P3 chip what we are using here, and this is our experimental results. This chip I have taken the picture with the optical microscope. Now this is the results with D5 chip. This is our chip. So in this results, this is our concentration and this is our chip number what we have used in 10 chip from the capacitance concentration 10 to the power minus 3 to 10 to the power minus 12. In black, this is a bare chip. In the red, chip plus graphene oxide. All the chip is having the same capacitance near about, and this is a chip with graphene oxide ECNHS in the blue part. Here we can see all the chip is in near about the same values having, and in the green part this is our capacitance from the concentration variation from 10 to the power minus 12, as this is having the low value with the low concentration. This is a high concentration which is having the high capacitance, and it is going the linear way, and I will testing checking the capacitance concentration for the final results for our paper. I have been collecting some schematic figures. I am preparing the figure for our paper using the antibody and antigens. This is the spike antibody and antigens. So I prepared this schematic figure. I have to change here chip because we are using here D5 chip, and this is a working electrode and glass substrate. Here is a biocompatible layer, and this is our crosslinker EDCNHS with the implies antibody and spiked antigen. This is our broad view, or this is our spiked antibody on the graphene EDCNHS, and with the this is spiked antigen. I will be preparing the some results for this SAM and FTIR characterization. This is another I prepared. This is our analytes for a schematic. This is our transducer. We will be applying the potential and getting the responses using the LCR meter. And this is our signal output and data processing, and this is our for the point of care testing. This is our another spiked antibody which I am preparing the schematic for our paper. This is another paper for the referencing. I am preparing to take the reference of these papers, and our final picture I am preparing. So this is our IDC experiment for the corona patients. So I prepared the P6 chip for the testing. This week I am going to do the AD normal patients experimental testing. As we have already done the SAM, AFM, FTIR characterization, this is our all the chemical process. This is our FTIR characterization using the P6 chip with graphene oxide. Here our chip with graphene oxide plus EDCNHS. Already we have confirmed the graphene on the chip, and this is our EDCNHS coding. This is our antibody implication already confirmed with the equal distribution. In this paper I will be using the 3D picture for the impressive results presentation. This is our antibody on the chip. Already we have taken the picture. This is our antibody cluster and ampliation. So this is my vacation schedule. Before Wednesday, I was trying to test the normal patient sample. I already prepared the P6 chip for the testing. So I will finishing the normal patient sample testing. So this is my personal achievement. This is our paper with the electrical detection oligomeric amyloid beta. This is our paper with the AD patient sample from using the graphene EDC NHS, and this is our corona detection paper, and this is our future paper which I am going to plan with the toe protein detection. This is my Kotha paper with the Dr. Sachin already have been submitted in journal and under consideration. This is my another paper with Jacob for the PSA sensing, and this is with Dr. Sachin for the PSA from urine sensor, and this is where I have prepared all the solutions for the nano pillar. So this is my another paper with the Bruce and Dr. Sachin. I already prepared all the solutions from the Bruce used for the nano pillar experiment. This is my conference and seminar abstracts. That's also. Thank you, Professor.